Hello everyone! I wanted to make my videos a bit better, to take them on another level, I would say, but it's just a bit of lighting. Not all the time I have the best light in the house, and not everyone has a lot of windows in their houses or in their filming room, so I decided to buy myself a softbox to improve my lighting in my videos and show it to you as well. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'll be honest with you, I already unboxed it. This light that you see here, it's with the softbox, and I will just turn it off for a second to show you how it's actually looking without this softbox light. So let's turn it off. See the difference? I would say this is not a good lighting for my videos. Of course, my camera is auto-correcting the light, but still it's not as good as with the softbox. Yeah, I didn't think of this, did I? I'll unbox it and I will have no light. For this unboxing, you won't have such a good quality of my light, but for my next videos, it will be awesome. Okay, so it comes in this box. I already opened it. It has their logo on it, LifeGoods, SOFTBOX, studio lamp, inclusive dragtas. That means the carry-on bag. So, we take it out. Like they said, it's including the carry-on bag. This is a really big bag and compact. I think it has everything inside. Again, it has their logo here. It has two handles to carry it around. And then we can just open it. It has a zipper. And inside you will find everything. So first of all, I see this thing. If we open it, we're gonna see that this is the white part of the softbox. It's the white thing that makes the light diffuse and not be that strong in one point. I'll put this aside, and then I see a big carton box. Let's open it. Inside it has the stand. It has the 3 legs that you can just spread. That's a weird thing to say, but it is what it is. Here it has this thing to make it tight or to let it loose, so you can move it. And then it has 3 other ones. These are again for making this even longer. This is 66 centimeters and you can make it longer up to 2 meters. So every time you open this, you can take it out, and it works quite easily. And here at the top it has this knob here, so you can just unscrew it. You can use this to put your camera. So this stand, you can use it a stand for a camera, or you can just put this back and put the softbox on top of it. We have another black bag and 2 lights. I will open it. The lights come protected in this foam thing, and this is the light, and they send you 2 of them. It's a 220-240 volts, 85 watts and 5400 K. I think this is 27E. Maybe you can find another one if these ones are dead, but this is an LED light. In this black thing, you take it out. It's the actual box. How do you say this? The thing that this comes on top of it. Again, it has the logo on it, and then inside it looks like this, so it reflects all the light. And here you should put the light bulb. On this side, the stand will come in it like this, and then you just screw it tight so this doesn't move anymore. You can also, as you can see, move this thing up and down, and it comes with a cord to plug it in. This cord is 2 meters and it has a switch for on and off. First we are gonna open these legs. Just push it down how much you want. I will tighten it at this size, so it's just easy. It's tightened and now it's not moving anymore. I'll just open the last one and pull this out. This is the maximum length, so I will screw it tight and then open the other one. And then it has another one at the bottom, which we can undo. Okay, so as you can see, this is the maximum length. It's way higher than me. It's higher as my door that I don't have yet, but I will not use it like this because it's too high. So I will close one of them and close the middle one. I think this is a good height. I will see after. So like I said, this thing here, you can unscrew it and then you can screw your camera on this thing, but I am filming on my camera right now, so I cannot do that. This thing, as you can see, it has a hole here and a hole here. You can put it on which side you want, but I think I will just use it like this. So I wanted to have this length and not height. I wanted to have a length, so I will just put it through the side. Just put it here and screw it tight. Now that I have this part attached to the tripod, I will just open it. As you can see, inside it has this ring, so you will have to just push it on the other thing. Okay. Now in here we can screw the light. So this is the light, and on top of this we are gonna put the white diffuser. This is inside out, as you can see, so we just have to turn it. And to fix it in place, this one has this velcro thing, and on all sides it has the soft part of the velcro thing. We will just have to put this around the corners, if it's gonna stay. Okay, and fix it high here in place. Next corner, fix the velcro in place, and then the last corner, and fix the other two. Okay, so because this was folded, it has all these lines. You could iron it. I don't know if it's gonna resist the heat though, so I'm just gonna leave it like this because you cannot see it in the actual light. And now if I turn it on, it looks like this. It is a lot of light though. When you attach this part to the tripod, you fix it on the side, but this, it can still move side to side. So you have to choose an angle that you like this to be, and then make it tight. Okay guys, that was the unboxing. I really like this soft light. As you can see, it gives me a lot of light and it will make my videos look a bit better. I definitely recommend it. I will leave a link down below. It's not an affiliated link, so you can buy it or not if you want it, but this I bought it from Belgium and it will be on a Belgium website that doesn't deliver outside Belgium and Holland. I will try and find it on Amazon or somewhere else and link it down below. Otherwise, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Which is gonna be better lighted. To handle...
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
It has 3 legs that you can just spread. That's a weird thing to say.